I am canceling my reading workshop, which was planned in September. I'm not ready. My father suffers Alzheimer's, was missing for 9 days. That was a terrifying experience, which really tested my limits and took a toll on my mental health. He's fine now. We found him and he is safe. I gained some very new and fresh life experiences, ones that I had never expected before. I was not able to really put in the time and energy that this project required. I think it's a good decision that I give myself a break and create some balance in my life. I'm fine now. I got plenty of help from my mentors, my coach, my therapist, and the closest friends. Thank you, those of you who have helped me through. Life can be freaking crazy, and things that you have no control over happen. That's just part of it. When that happens, it's a wise thing that you prioritize your self-care, that it's okay for your work to take a back seat.